Hi, this is a quick walkthrough of how my little PowerShell app works. I'm going to quick double click on this icon and it's going to run and call a PowerShell script, the one that's in the blog post. You'll see that fired up popped in the other window. I'm going to click on credential to authenticate. So basically just did a AZ login, logging into my tenant now, and then it's going to go enumerate all of the virtual machines that are in my Arc managed area in my subscription. Down at the bottom here is a Linux host. Well, I'll show you the walkthrough logging into that later. First, I'm going to pop into one of these physical Windows hosts, this BC Node 1, which is a Dell XR4000 blade running down in Colorado. And I'll just say I'm sitting here in Connecticut. I'm going to type in my user ID that I want to use to authenticate to the box to make sure I can RDP into it, and then type in a password. And then this is going to pop an RDP session for me. It popped on the other window. I could use a different credential if I wanted to, and different password to RDP in, but I got to type my password in again. We don't have that great single sign-on that we have for Linux for Arc. But that then uses the Arc tunnel to get me into an RDP session. We'll see. I'm going to look at the speed I've got here. My latency is around 90 milliseconds getting from Connecticut to Colorado, but still pretty awesome that I have a secure desktop connection to my remote server without direct network connectivity. I'm going to pop back into the client real quick and show you what the Linux logon experience works with SSO enabled. I'm going to, again, log into the same tenant environment. It'll enumerate the Arc servers that I have under management. Down at the bottom, we'll hit this Ubuntu, what I think, 2402 box, I think it is. Hit connect. No passwords to enter because of the magic of Entra single sign-on for Linux. It's going to use my Entra ID that I've already authenticated to, and boom, I've got a command line on my Linux host. I can see my local directory and my files. Pretty awesome.